Europe, a continent steeped in history, brimming with culture, and home to some of the world's most captivating destinations. Among these, Italy and France stand apart, beckoning travelers with the promise of unforgettable experiences. Choosing between these two jewels can be a delightful dilemma. Both countries boast iconic landmarks, breathtaking landscapes, and tantalizing cuisines. Italy, a land of ancient ruins and Renaissance masterpieces, enchants with its romantic canals and rolling hills dotted with vineyards. Picture yourself sipping Chianti in Tuscany, or indulging in delectable pasta dishes in a charming trattoria. France, with its sophisticated cities and picturesque countryside, offers a symphony of experiences. Imagine strolling along the Champs-Élysées, losing yourself in the Louvre's masterpieces, or savoring a croissant at a sidewalk cafe. This essay will be your guide, comparing and contrasting these two alluring destinations. We'll delve into their iconic landmarks, explore their natural wonders, and savor their culinary delights. We'll also uncover the unique cultural rhythms that make each country so special. So, join me as we embark on a journey to discover the heart and soul of Italy and France. Italy and France are treasure troves of architectural marvels, each telling a story of the past. These landmarks are not mere tourist attractions, they are tangible links to bygone eras, whispering tales of emperors and artists, revolutions and romance. In Italy, history comes alive amidst the ruins of the Colosseum in Rome where gladiators once battled. The Leaning Tower of Pisa, an architectural quirk, never fails to bring a smile. And who could forget the Trevi Fountain, where tossing a coin ensures your return to the Eternal City? France boasts equally impressive landmarks. The Eiffel Tower, a symbol of Parisian elegance, pierces the sky with its iron latticework. The Louvre Museum, once a royal palace, houses masterpieces like Leonardo da Vinci's Mona Lisa, and the Arc de Triomphe stands as a testament to French resilience, commemorating those who fought for their nation. These iconic landmarks are not just photo opportunities, they are embodiments of each country's spirit, inviting you to step back in time and connect with the essence of Italy and France. Beyond the bustling cities, Italy and France unfurl into landscapes of breathtaking diversity. From snow-capped mountains to sun-kissed coastlines, these countries offer a visual feast for nature enthusiasts. France is home to the majestic French Alps, a paradise for skiers and hikers. The lavender fields of Provence, awash in purple hues, are a sensory delight. The dramatic cliffs of Étretat, sculpted by the relentless sea, inspire awe. And the gorges du Verdon, often called the Grand Canyon of Europe, will take your breath away. Italy counters with the Amalfi Coast, a mesmerizing stretch of coastline dotted with pastel-colored villages clinging to cliffs. Cinque Terre, a collection of 5 picturesque fishing villages, offers a glimpse into a simpler way of life. The Tuscan countryside, with its rolling hills, vineyards, and olive groves, is the epitome of Italian charm. And the Dolomites, a mountain range known for its jagged peaks, provide a stunning backdrop for outdoor adventures. Whether you seek adventure in the mountains or relaxation by the sea, Italy and France promise natural wonders that will leave an imprint on your soul. No exploration of Italy and France would be complete without indulging in their culinary offerings. Food is not just fuel in these countries, it's an art form, a celebration of flavor, and a source of national pride. France, renowned for its culinary excellence, offers a symphony of tastes. Begin your day with a flaky, buttery croissant, best enjoyed at a sidewalk cafe. Indulge in the world of French cheese, from creamy camembert to pungent roquefort. Savor classic dishes like coq au vin or chicken braised in wine, or boeuf bourguignon, a hearty beef stew. And don't forget to satisfy your sweet tooth with delicate macarons or a decadent chocolate eclair. Italy seduces with its simple yet flavorful cuisine. Pizza, originating from Naples, is a global favorite, but nothing beats the taste of an authentic Neapolitan pie. Pasta, in its myriad forms, is a staple, with sauces ranging from the simple tomato basil to the creamy carbonara. Gelato, Italian ice cream, is a refreshing treat, and no meal is complete without a strong espresso. From Michelin-starred restaurants to humble trattorias, Italy and France offer culinary journeys that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving more. Section 5. The Rhythm of Life, Cultural Experiences. Beyond the landmarks and landscapes, it's the people and their way of life that truly define a destination. Italy and France, while geographically close, possess distinct cultural rhythms that add to their allure. France exudes an air of sophistication. The French take pride in their language, fashion, and art de vivre, the art of living. Strolling along Parisian boulevards, you'll witness a certain je ne sais quoi, an effortless elegance that permeates everyday life. Attending a fashion show, browsing antique markets, or simply people-watching at a cafe are all part of experiencing the French rhythm. Italy embraces a more laid-back approach, characterized by warmth, passion, and a deep connection to tradition. Italians are known for their expressive nature, their love of family and good food, and their appreciation for the finer things in life. Whether you're enjoying a lively conversation over espresso, watching artisans handcraft leather goods, or witnessing the fervor of a soccer match, you'll feel the pulse of Italian life. These cultural nuances are what make traveling so enriching. It's about immersing yourself in a different pace of life, connecting with locals, and embracing the unique spirit of each destination. Section 6. The Italian Way, Passion and Tradition. Italy's charm lies in its ability to seamlessly blend the old with the new. Ancient traditions are woven into the fabric of daily life, creating a vibrant tapestry of culture and heritage. Italians are fiercely proud of their heritage, and this pride is evident in everything from their cuisine to their craftsmanship. Family is paramount in Italian culture. Gatherings around the dinner table are sacred, with multiple generations sharing stories and laughter over plates of pasta and carafes of wine. This strong sense of family extends to the broader community, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere for visitors. Italians are also renowned for their passion, whether it's expressed through art, music, or simply a lively conversation. They approach life with a zest that's contagious, embracing the moment and finding joy in the everyday. Experiencing Italy is about more than just ticking off landmarks. It's about slowing down, savoring the simple pleasures, and embracing the warmth and passion that define the Italian way of life. Section 7. French chic elegance and refinement. France, particularly Paris, is synonymous with elegance and refinement. From haute couture fashion to Michelin-starred dining, the French have elevated the art of living to an art form. There's a certain effortless chic that permeates French culture, a sense of style that's both sophisticated and understated. The French take pride in their language, considering it an art form in itself. A simple bonjour uttered with a Parisian accent can feel like a melody. This appreciation for beauty extends to all aspects of life, from the perfectly arranged pastries in a boulangerie window to the meticulously manicured gardens of Versailles. French culture also values intellectual pursuits. Cafes are often filled with patrons engaged in lively discussions about philosophy, politics, and art. Museums and galleries showcase a wealth of artistic treasures, from impressionist masterpieces to contemporary installations. To experience French chic is to embrace a certain art de vivre, a way of life that celebrates beauty, sophistication, and the pleasure of the senses. Section 8. Choosing your adventure, Italy or France. Choosing between Italy and France is like choosing between two masterpieces. Both countries offer a wealth of experiences, from historical treasures and natural wonders to culinary delights and cultural encounters. Ultimately, the best destination for you depends on your personal preferences. If you're drawn to ancient history, Renaissance art, and the romance of rolling hills and vineyards, Italy might be your ideal choice. If you prefer sophisticated cities, elegant fashion, and the allure of fine dining, France might be more your style. Of course, you could always opt for the best of both worlds and combine your trip with a visit to both countries. Imagine starting your journey amidst the canals of Venice and ending it with a stroll along the Champs-Élysées. Section 9 Conclusion, an unforgettable European journey. Whether you choose to explore the ancient ruins of Rome or the elegant boulevards of Paris, both Italy and France promise unforgettable experiences. From iconic landmarks and breathtaking landscapes to delectable cuisine and unique cultural rhythms, these two countries offer a wealth of treasures to discover. So pack your bags, grab your passport, and embark on an adventure that will stay with you long after you've returned home. Bon voyage!